We try to sanitize the whole place, but somehow people from outside, migrant come, bring swine flu inside, and it spreads. When there's a dry spell, mosquitoes breed fast. When there's a long wet spell, mosquitoes don't breed. So dengue mosquito breeds in clean water.
Okay.
So public awareness also has to be there for that purpose.
No, but your government is fully geared.
Yeah, fully geared. But exceptional cases will happen.
But what about the medicines?
Because what happens is people detect it late.
Okay.
They get late treatment. All these are factors. And dengue combined with other sicknesses, that is also a factor. Generally it is from outside, it comes inside. Because if it's inside, it would spread very fast. But in a sporadic cases, one or two places it happened, like it happened in Vasco, it happened in Sanzadaria. Cases where it happens, we take precautions and do the sanitization of the place.
But the required medicines or something is now...
Everything is there, but you see what happens when you go to the hospital late, there's every possibility that you might not get the treatment in time. Wherever reported, we immediately go there and try to sanitize the place.